Life is made up of decisions that a person makes in life. When an artist paints a picture on a canvas, every fine stroke of the brush helps to create the image on the canvas as it is finished in the mind. In fact, one wrong brush stroke can distort the whole picture. If Pablo Picasso missed a single brush stroke like that, the great painting Guernica would never have been created. But do not stop creating a picture of life for fear that a brush stroke will go wrong. Risk is something that is everywhere. That is why it is great disaster not to allow the sleeping giant to wake up in any man who is afraid of risk. Life begins where you take risks. Education, wealth, knowledge, energy, and intelligence alone are not enough to be truly great. The ability to take risks at the right time as well as the boundless commitment to it is just as important as everything else. One day, while a farmer was traveling in a cart, two seeds in a sack fell to the ground. The two rolled over and stopped on the side of the road. The farmer does not care because of the small seeds. The two of them are standing face to face on the side of the road. One of those two seeds firmly believed that it should grow into a big tree by overcoming some obstacles. It was not very easy. So, from the moment it fell, the seed was acting as easily rooted. The seed eagerly awaits the warm sky until the raindrops fall. Tried to absorb manure, tried best to escape the harsh sun, wished no one would be trampled. In the meantime, the other seed was too scared to take root in the ground. Don't know where those roots will end up. Sometimes my roots can be eaten by worms. This earth is not fertile enough to take root. That seed, thinking like that, took action to prevent the roots from sprouting. If it becomes a plant, I can be blown away by the wind. When the flower blooms, wasps can come and destroy the flowers. The rain is pouring down on me. He made tens of thousands of reasons why he was not a plant like that. Here, 2 or 3 days passed and another 2 weeks passed. The seed that thought to change life with difficulty and effort without fear of risk, gradually the roots began to pull. Now he has become a tiny little beautiful plant. On a sunny day before long, the other seed thought to be safe from fear and danger, it was eaten by a rooster that went from there. This is how the story of the two seeds that fell in the same place ends. People who hide without facing real challenges to life and hide too much are miserably destroyed without giving any legacy to the universe. That is why you need to develop the self confidence needed to face life. Make every effort to grow, not to die. It's easy for you to die, but it's really hard for courage to grow. But at the end of it all, as a plant gradually grows into a great tree, it can provide gentle shade to people who have worked so hard in life. Be a tree that can provide shade, at least if you can be a soothing shade to those around you. So, life is meaningful only if you can make the dreams that many others give up come true. What life really is an amazing dream that can come true. Think to think. Goodbye.